Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can align text in WPS Office app. Okay, let's get started guys. Here I have already opened my document using WPS application on my computer. And I'm going to show you how you can align text. And this is a basic tutorial of WPS guys. If you are already pro, you can skip this tutorial. Okay, for you who want to align your text, you need to select your text first like this. Select your text and then you can go to this menu and you will see align left and then center and align right and also justify. Just choose the alignment that you want. And for me, I'm going to choose align left. And this is how the align left text looks like. This is for the center and align right and justify. And actually, I prefer justify. It looks better, right, with the justify alignment. Okay, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's how we can align text in WPS Office application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.